I've always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
I don't even know what kind of eggs you like. Priest, you wanted scrambled. With a dead head, it was fried. With the other guy, the bug guy, it was poached. Now it's like, egg whites only. Thank you very much.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel, The Humble Egg. Yes, this is what I'm going to be cooking today. I'm going to be making Keto Cloud Eggs. But just to give you a few fun facts about the egg, 6 grams of protein, 0 carbs, no sugar, a great source of fat, a great source of cholesterol, good cholesterol. It's delicious, nutritious, it fills you up, wonderful for breakfast, wonderful for lunch even, and you can have them each way. Poached, boiled, fried, omelette, sunny side up, scrambled. But today I'm going to show you how to do a keto recipe called Keto Cloud Eggs. So if you're interested to see me making this recipe, then please keep watching. Well, that's it everybody. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this new recipe called Keto Cloud Eggs. And if you did and you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. Please excuse the sound of my voice. I have been sick this past week, and for all of you out there that have sent me well wishes via social media, Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, thank you to one and all. So on that note, I'm going to go now, and by the way, I'll check you out in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.